This $650 gaming PC offers insane value for the money. We will cover two options, a full new build and one with a used graphics card. Now let's get started. For the central processing unit or CPU of this build, we'll be taking the Core i3-12100F. You can also go with the Ryzen 5 5600 for better performance and a $20 upcharge. However, there will be less upgradability since AMD has moved to the AM5 platform. Anyways, we will grab the 12100F for a price of $100 and the ability to upgrade to 13th gen of any other Intel processor. For our motherboard, we will snag the ASRock B660M Pro RS for just $95 on Newegg right now. This motherboard will support DDR4 speeds up to 4800 mega transfers per second, with native support for 3200 mega transfers per second speeds. It also has 4 DIMM slots, which can add up to a max capacity of 128 gigabytes or a 4x32 gigabyte kit. For the M.2 slots, this board features one PCIe 4.0 and one PCIe 3.0. Taking a look at the ports, we have one HDMI port, one DisplayPort 1.4, 4 USB 3.2, and 2 USB 2.0 ports, as well as a few other less important ones. With $195 already well spent, in my opinion, we still need some RAM and storage. So for the RAM, we'll get a 2x8 gigabyte with 3200 mega transfers per second and CL16 timing. The specific kit we will get is the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z, totaling to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Since we are using dual channel RAM, we get a performance boost, and 16 gigabytes is still a good amount for 2023. Plus, coming in at only $34, it is a tremendous value. Now we need some storage. We'll grab the trusty Team Group MP33 1TB for $40. Once again, a tremendous value, only $40 for 1TB of storage. Now this is PCIe 3.0, but it's going to be perfectly fine for your needs. We'll now grab our PSU, which once again, as always, will get the 550 watt Thermaltake Smart BM2. This 80 plus bronze tier C and semi-modular power supply unit for just $55. This power supply has proved time and time again that it's the budget champion that won't blow up your house. Real quick, if you just take a moment to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, I would appreciate it a ton. 98.3% of you are not subscribed. Now back into it. We need a case to store all of our components in. For that, we'll take the Fractal Design Focus G Mini. This $55 micro ATX case comes with 2 pre-installed LED fans in the front. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst looking case, and for $55 with the 2 pre-installed fans, it definitely will get the job done. Last but certainly not least, we have the GPU, the real power behind this gaming PC. Now if you're going the all-new route, then you can snag yourself a brand new RX 6650 XT, which you can find multiple models from various brands going for $260 on Newegg, which would leave you with an extra $11 to spare in your budget and put towards some cable extensions or fans. The RX 6650 XT is an amazing GPU providing insane 1080p performance and 1440p performance in 2023. It performs better than its more expensive NVIDIA cousin, the RTX 3060. Now, if you are going the used route for this GPU, you can squeeze in a bit of extra performance. Over on eBay, there are many listings of the RX 6700 XT for around $260 to $275, which will put you at the same price as the new build with extra performance. Plus, if you take the time to bid, then you can probably get it for cheaper easily. But as for the buy it now section, there are a number of 6700 XTs for just $260. When it comes to pure rasterization performance, the RX 6700 XT trades blows with its much more expensive NVIDIA cousin, the RTX 3070. So obviously I recommend going with the used GPU, but make sure you buy it from a reputable seller at a good price. Final price breakdown of this build looks something like this. Totaling at just $639, we have an amazing performing gaming PC in 2023 that can play any game at 1440p ultra settings, 60 plus FPS. If you guys want benchmarks, I'll link videos from other channels with benchmarks for such systems in the description. Other than that, I hope to see you guys here again next week.